This is mobiling. To prevent the chain from coming off, change it to a light pro chain ring. First, push the rear derailleur by hand. It can be easily removed by picking up the next chain. Remove the fixing bolts using a wrench. I'm in a hurry, so it's okay to use a drill. Please prepare crank arm remover. Turn it all the way by hand and insert it. Detach the crank arm by tightening the head bolt with a tool. Loosen the bolts securing the chain ring. Use a drill or hex wrench. This is a light pro aluminum chain ring that can prevent the chain from coming off. It is BCD 130 standard, BCD 130 BBS HD exclusive chain and adaptive. Insert the chain ring nut inside. Insert the chainring bolt and tighten it. Take turns tightening. If you have a torque wrench, tighten it to 5 to 6 millimeters. Tighten to 5 millimeters. Please push the rear derailleur. Hang the chain on the crank chain ring. Reinsert the crank arm and fixing bolts that will remove. The job is complete. Bafang. It is a chain drop prevention device used in dog bicycles. Installation is recommended if the chain frequently falls out and were due to impact while riding a bicycle. There is also a video on how to make chain breakout prevention using FOMAX, so please check the address on the video. If you're looking bored, please refer to the video link for the address where you can purchase. Subscriptions and clicks and likes are a big help in making the broadcast. Thank you for watching.